In this video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Page Layout tab up top, and then from here, you want to click on where it says Link, and you want to click on here where it says New Link. Now, when you do that, you basically have to mark where you would like the link to be, so the link to a different page. I'm just going to do this over here, so I'm going to click on where it says Mind here, and I'm going to just basically draw a rectangle around it like this with my left mouse click, release it, and there we go. It's going to pop up the Create Link button or box. Now here you can go ahead and select the link appearance. Now the link type can be of course visible or invisible. I'm just going to make it visible this time, and of course you can customize your appearance if you want to. I'm just going to leave this as it is, but the most important part here is the link action. And if you want to link pages, you want to select the first one, which is go to a page view. So I'm going to click on that, and then here I'm going to click on next, and then it's going to tell me to actually set the action and to where I want to go. So I can select the page number, and I want it to go to page 3 over here, and I could go ahead and just do fit page, inherit zoom, fit width, etc. I'm just going to leave it like it is, and I'm going to click on OK, and there we go. If I now click on over here, when I select the hand tool like that, as you can see, it takes me directly to page 3 out of 5 I have over here. So that's basically how easy it is to link pages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.